Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are all fine. In today's video, we will learn about verbs. What are verbs? Verbs are words that shows an action. A verb is a kind of word that tells about an action. We can say that verbs are action words or doing words. The verbs tells about an action or a state. Every sentence has a verb. It is the main part of a sentence. Verbs are the only kind of words that changes to show past, present and future tense. So, the verbs are of three types: past, present and future. Therefore, we can say that verbs are the words that tells us what a person does, or in simple words, they describe an action. We will discuss about action verbs. For example, give, eat, walk, run, cook, wash. These all are example of verbs. These simple action verbs are used for present tense. For example, an action that is currently happening are called present verbs. The examples of present verbs are draw, write, hop, dance, jump, dive, read and swim. Now move on to our activity page. For more practice of present verbs, I have an activity page about present verb. The color of verbs is red and its action is move your arms back and forth at your sides as if you are running. This is the action of verb. For this activity page, help your children identify the verbs for the bees actions in the first three pictures. Children complete this question by writing the correct verb on each line. For example, the first question is write the verb underneath each picture. Children will write the verb under each picture. The first picture shows that a bee is cooking. So we write here the verb cook. In next picture, the bee is skipping. So we will write here skip. And the last picture shows the bees are swimming. So we will write here swim. to cook, to skip, to swim. In second question, children will draw a bee doing each of these actions. Draw a bee doing each verb. Children will draw here bees according to these verbs. So we will draw a bee that is crying. In next flower, we will draw a bee that is hopping. So here we will draw a bee that is hopping. In the last flower, we will draw a bee with a brush. And after these two questions, children think of 3 verbs by themselves and complete the question. They will also illustrate the verbs in the flowers. Think of 3 more verbs and illustrate them in the flowers. For this question, children will think 3 verbs by themselves and write them on these lines and draw their pictures in these flowers. For example, to run. Here is a bee that is running. To wash. Here is a bee that is washing clothes. To eat. The bee eats. The bee eats chips. And this is our activity page of simple present verbs. You can practice the verbs with these kind of activities. These are very easy for kids. This is another page of present verb. The color of verb is red. The children write their verb on the line provided at the top of the page. They will write their verb beside each pronoun. For children's help, remind them that I, you, he, she, it are singulars and we, you, they are plural pronouns. And for singular pronoun, he, she, it and s must be added to the verb. Children will write here a verb, for example, eat. So the question is, write the verb next to each pronoun and draw a picture of each person doing the verb. Remember that the verb has an S at the end when joined to the third person singular, and that you must draw more than one person for the plural pronouns. These are the things that will help you to solve this activity. The first person singular, I. I eat. Here I will draw a picture of someone that showing our verb. This person eats apple. Second person singular, you. You eat. Again we will draw a person with an apple. Third person singular, he, she, it. As we know that verb has an S at the end when joined to the third person singular. With he, she or it, we must add an S to the verb. For example, eats. He eats, she eats, it eats. Okay, here I will draw a girl. She eats apple. And the plural person, we. We eat. We use for plural persons. So here we will draw plural person. You eat. Here is a person that is pointing to other person who is eating apple. You eat. They eat. We use they for plurals. So here we will draw plural persons and the person that is pointing to them. They eat. This activity is going to be very interesting for your children. Try these types of activities with your children. These worksheets will help your children to understand verbs more easily. If you find this video informative, please like, subscribe and share this channel for more conceptual videos. Thank you.